enough? Okay. I should be okay. I should be okay. Yes, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Thank you and welcome. Today I'm going to be telling you about my new YouTube channel, which I've been trying to start like forever. Yes, like forever. I've been trying to do it and I kept pushing it aside. I really don't know why. I don't know. There are lots of whys, lots of because. I was once scared of being accepted by people, by everybody. Maybe that's one of the reasons. Or maybe because I'm just too busy at my day job. I still have my normal day job. Or maybe another reason might be because of the equipment to use. There are lots of equipment to use when you want to start YouTube. It's not just something you can just start if you don't want, unless if you don't want to do it very well. But lots of whys, lots of because, lots of everything. But finally, Loveliness by Nature is born. Thank you. Like I said earlier on, the name of my channel, of our channel, is Loveliness by Nature. I came up with this name long time ago. It was in a magazine. It was a first like of an article, yes? I'm somebody, maybe I should tell you a little bit of myself. I love reading a lot. So when anywhere I see any paper or anything written down, I pick it and I read. I'm somebody who loves to play with anyone and everyone. I enjoy giving positive advice to people. I talk to people. I'm a lover of God as well. And God has blessed me with a loving, caring husband. Oof. Yes, on this channel, I'll be sharing tips with you of how to cook in a very easy and quick way and how it will still be very, very delicious. And I'll be sharing a lot of family tips with you, how to make your daily life easy, things you can use to make your daily life easy. And also, I'll be sharing a lot of relationship talk with you, especially those things that your mom cannot tell you. Yes, you'll be hearing a lot of talks from me. You can help by subscribing to the channel, sharing it among your friends and your families. Like I said, tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends to tell their friends. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, please, so that the moment I upload any video, you will be the first to see what is there and you won't miss out. I'll be uploading every week for now. It might increase, yes. And another thing you can do, put that in the comment section what you really want me to be doing. The cooking and even the talking, what you want me to talk about. We are here for one another. We'll be sharing, we'll be engaging together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget in the comment section, and don't forget to write what you want. Also, click on the subscribe button. Ciao, ciao. I'll see you again.